Hey Emma, have you ever struggled with English pronunciation?
Oh, yes. Sometimes I say a word, but people don't understand me. It can be frustrating.
I know exactly how that feels. But don't worry, today we're going to help everyone improve their pronunciation with simple techniques.
That sounds great. Let's get started.
So, Emma, why do you think pronunciation is important?
Well, even if you know a lot of words, people may not understand you if your pronunciation is unclear.
Exactly. Pronunciation helps you communicate better and sound more natural.
Plus, good pronunciation can boost your confidence when speaking English. Explanation. Clear pronunciation helps people understand you easily. Good pronunciation builds confidence in speaking English. It makes conversations smoother and more enjoyable. Did you know English has many sounds that don't exist in other languages?
Yes. For example, the th sound in words like think and this. Many learners find it difficult.
That's true. Also, vowel sounds in English can be tricky because they change in different words.
A great way to improve is to listen to native speakers and repeat the sounds they make. Explanation. English has unique sounds like vowel sounds can be different in similar words. Listening and repeating can help improve pronunciation.
Do you know that word stress is very important in English?
Yes. In English, some syllables are stronger than others. For example, in banana, the stress is on the second syllable, banana.
Right. If you stress the wrong syllable, words might sound strange.
A good practice is to break words into syllables and say them slowly. Explanation. Word stress means making one syllable stronger. Incorrect stress can make words sound unnatural. Breaking words into syllables helps with pronunciation.
Many learners struggle with similar pronunciation mistakes.
Like mixing up ship and sheep. The vowel sounds are different, but many learners pronounce them the same.
Yes. Another mistake is adding extra sounds. Some people say speak instead of speak.
A good tip is to record yourself and listen to your pronunciation. Explanation. Some words have similar sounds but different meanings. Avoid adding extra sounds. Recording yourself helps identify mistakes.
English isn't just about words, it's about rhythm and melody.
That's right. Native speakers use intonation to show emotions and meaning.
For example, really, with a rising tone means surprise, but with a falling tone, it means you're certain.
Practicing with short sentences can help you improve intonation. Explanation. Intonation changes meaning. Rising tone shows surprise, falling tone shows certainty. Practice with short sentences to improve rhythm.
Tongue twisters are fun and great for pronunciation.
Yes. Try this. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Wow. That's hard, but it helps with SH and S sounds.
Practicing tongue twisters daily can improve pronunciation. Explanation. Tongue twisters improve pronunciation skills. They help with tricky sounds. Daily practice makes a difference.
One of the best ways to improve is by listening and shadowing.
Yes. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it immediately.
It helps you match the pronunciation, speed, and intonation of native speakers.
Podcasts, audiobooks, and videos are great for shadowing practice. Explanation. Shadowing helps improve pronunciation naturally. Copy native speakers to match their sounds. Use podcasts and videos for practice.
Do you ever use phonetic transcriptions?
Yes. They show how words should be pronounced.
For example, the word cat is written as Kate in phonetics.
Learning basic phonetic symbols can help improve pronunciation. Explanation. Phonetic transcriptions help with correct pronunciation. Learning basic symbols is useful for English learners. Dictionaries often show phonetic spellings.
Wow. We covered a lot today.
Yes. To summarize, practice daily, listen to native speakers, use phonetics, and have fun.
The more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Keep practicing and soon you'll speak English clearly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.